G'day all, it's Colin from PCTLC and thanks for joining me. It's been a while since I've made a video. I've been taking a bit of a break. I was on holidays for a while and I've had things to do around the house. I've still got plenty to do. I think I'll wait till after Christmas before I continue that. Maybe get a couple more videos in before Christmas. But however, this video is not sort of one that I really like to make. There's a bloke by the name of Bruce. This is his YouTube channel, Bruce's Eclectic World. I've befriended Bruce within the Linux community for quite a while now. I'm on one side of the pond, he's on the other. I'm upside down, he's the right way up. However, Bruce has struck tragedy in his life. This house here belonged to his parents, I believe, who have passed. His sister was living in this house, I believe, and it's been burnt down. This house was built in 1904, I'm pretty sure he said. And now he faces a huge problem. Cleanup needs to happen, and that costs a lot of money which he doesn't have. And if he doesn't clean it up within a certain amount of time, he gets fined an enormous amount of money every day, which I find absolutely crazy. However, there's a GoFundMe in the link below and his original video and also an update video that he's made. Bruce is a very jovial sort of fella. I'm always sarcastically talking to him, making funny jokes. We both pick on the same people on YouTube and we have a lot of fun, but this is not a good time in his life. I thought it was best that if I can do anything I can to help him out, I certainly will do that. I've done that for Dennis, and unfortunately Bruce is facing a bit of tragedy in his life at the moment, and his sister. So I thought I'd do whatever I can to help him out with my YouTube channel and see if I can get some people to rally around him. If not financially, at least send him a few words of encouragement, because that may help him get through this. It's an unfortunate and unexpected tragedy that's happened. And, you know, for a 1904 house, it looks like it's been very well preserved and looked after by his father. And it looks like it was a nice, neat little place. So like I said, the links are below. Feel free to help out if you can. It would be greatly appreciated. So that's it from me, and I shall see you in the next video.